Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the afternoon forum of today. First of all, I would like to thank to all of the audience in front of me. Thank you very much for attending the forum for today and for sure our special guest, Madam Siti Zamanara Matsai. Our topic will be Loanshark. First of all, let me introduce to all of you our panelists for today because most of them have a lot of knowledge and also experience about this topic that we will discuss. Right, right on my right is especially invited the CEO of Bank Negara Malaysia, Tan Sri Hafiz. How are you, Tan Sri Hafiz? All right. So beside Tan Sri Hafiz, we have Professor Dr. Madia Hazim here. He is currently a Syariah lawyer that are related to
Yeah, I'm
Islamic
fine.
finance
Thank you,
and
Miss
banking.
Moderator.
Say hello to everyone, Dr. Hazim. How are you, Dr. Hazim?
I'm really pink of head, Miss Moderator.
Oh, that's good. Next, we have the expert accounts lecturer from UMK, Dr. Fadhli here.
Hello everyone.
At the end of the corner is the very experienced in the PPIM Tan Sri Adam. Welcome to our forum for today.
Thank you for having me, Miss Moderator.
So with me, Farah Alia as your moderator today. Alright, nowadays, when we talk about loan shark, many of us don't have any idea to explain about this topic. Generally, loan shark is an individual or organization that lends money at extremely high rates, often in illegal or unregulated ways. Loan sharks typically target people who are in urgent needs of cash and are unable to secure loans through traditional or legal channels, such as banks or credit unions. For further details about this topic, I would like to seek information from the first panel next to me, Dr. Hafiz. Without wasting our time, my first question to our first panel, Dr. Hafiz, can you explain to us a little bit about loan shark based on your opinion?
Yeah, based on my opinion, Loanshark, or a famous name in Malaysia, is Ahlong, a ongoing problem that has impacted many individual and family. While this unlicensed moneylender may seem like a quick solution to financial trouble, their practice often lead to devastating consequences. That's all
Nightmare.
from me.
Such a good explanation, Dr. Hafiz. But can you tell us more about loan shark? Maybe the statistic and the impacts from the loan shark?
Yes, for sure. According to Malaysia Muslim Consumer Association, or other name PPIM, in 2019, 65% loan shark borrower were men, while 35% were women. In terms of ethnicity, 80% of borrower were Malay, followed by 10% Chinese, and 9% Indian, and 2% from other ethnicities. Some states such as Sabah, Pahang, Selangor saw a decline, while states like Sarawak, Kelantan, and Kuala Lumpur show an increase. In a report, the Royal Malaysia Police (PDRM) received 80 complaints in a month, involving victims from various backgrounds, such as small business owner, security guard, and Grab driver. The report loan amount was 27.77 million, with 24 million successful tracked, although most victims borrow do the financial first or the discrete from easy money. Loan shark loan carry significant risks, including security threat. Before cooperation from all parties is need to address this issue comprehensively. So, what I can say is the borrower need to be aware of the danger of loan shark. Financial education, public awareness, and seek action by authorities are crucial to addressing this issue.
Wow, such a great explanation, Dr. Hafiz. What about you, Professor Dr. Made Hazim? As a Syariah lawyer, can you tell us some acts about these illegal moneylenders?
Okay, thank you, Moderator. In Malaysia, money lending is tightly related to curb illegal practice and protect borrower from exploitation. The Moneylender Act 1951 is one of the primary laws addressing the issue. Under the Section 15 at 400, anyone conducting a money lending business must obtain a license. Without this license, any contract for the repayment of loan is cannot be enforced. This means borrowers are not legally obligated to repay loan from a licensed moneylender.
So, if someone unknowingly borrows from an unlicensed lender, they are not required to pay it back?
Legally, yes, but it's important to report such as activity to the authorities to prevent further exploitation.
That's a key point. Let's move on to the interest rates. What does the law say about this?
Good question. Section 17 of Act 400 prohibit any moneylenders from imposing multiple or compound interest of loan. Additionally, they cannot increase the interest rate or amount due if a borrower fails to make a payment on time. This is to ensure that borrowers are not overloaded. In addition, the Financial Services Act 2013 also cover a wide range of the issue and mainly concern controlling financial business and service. If someone or something is not supposed to be lending money, it stop them. The Ban Regulation set rule that licensed institution must follow in the financial system. This help keep things honest. Thing.
Excellent points. But can you tell us about the Sharia law and legislation or from the Islamic principle?
Okay, for the Islamic finance prohibit riba such as protective and unjust. Allow high interest loan must violate this principle, prioritizing profit over the borrower welfare, contradicting Islamic ethic of fairness and mutual benefit. Furthermore, allow method often include verbal and physical violence to intimidate borrower. This acts keep this act create fear and despair targeting not just borrower but their familiar. Such as action are criminal and demand strict informers to protect vulnerable individuals.
All right, thank you for the explanation, Professor Dr. Mari Hazim. We'll move forward to the risk of borrowing money from Ahlul. So, Dr. Fadli, can you spill us a little bit about this?
Thank you, Miss Moderator. Well, basically, there are three aspects of the risk of borrowing money from a loan shark. First and foremost, it will give impact to society. The risk of loan sharking poses a major challenge to community safety. Borrowers often find themselves struggling to manage their debts, which can lead to increased criminal activity as they seek to resolve their financial issue. The cycle of debt and crime not only jeopardize the individuals involved, but also threatens the stability and safety of the entire community. Next, borrowers family. Logically, financial problems frequently lead to conflict within families. Uh, a family which is meant to be a source of support may become a battleground for blame when one family member takes out of loan without informing others. Trust breaks down, leading to conflict. The situation parallels a sports team that fails to function effectively when its members doubt each other's abilities. Communication and trust are essential to maintaining strong family bonds, just as they are vital for a successful team. Lastly, physical and mental disability. The impact of money lending on borrowers' mental health is often overlooked, yet it can be quite severe. Borrowers frequently experience stress and anxiety to the repayment expectation, expectation and the fear of falling deeper into debts. This economic pressure can lead to feeling of helplessness and depression, adversely affecting their daily life. That's all.
I see. It sounds very terrifying to borrow the money from Loanshark. Alright, so we have the last panel here that will talk about cause and preventive measures. Tan Sri Adam, in your opinion, what are the reasons people borrow the money from Loanshark?
Thank you, moderator. In my opinion, the reason people borrow from Ahlong is because the lack access to legal loans. For example, the lack supporting documents such as payslip, bank statement, or taxes. Those who work in the informal or independent sector often do not receive a regular income and do not have the document regular by formal financial institution. In addition, one of their main obstacles to doing a loan from the bank is due to a bad credit history. Many banks perform string credit evaluation and receive applications from individuals with poor debt, payment history, or low credit score. This indirectly encourages them to borrow from Ahlong without thinking about the risk. The second reason is a lack of two legal loans. This is said to be because they need money immediately, especially in emergencies such as unexpected medical costs, for example, surgery or expensive hospital treatment. Because Ahlong offer loans with a very fast application process, not requiring a detailed credit check or many documents, this has made it easy for those who are desperate to get a loan immediately.
I see. What are preventive measures can be taken from the costs that have been described before?
First of all, the government can hold public awareness campaign. Government agency and financial institution need to educate the public about the risk of unlicensed lenders and provide information or legitimate lending option. Next, alternative financial aid. Government can provide alternative financial support, for example, microloans and emergency funds to help borrowers avoid illicit lending option. Lastly, strict legal penalties. Enforce strict penalty against unlicensed money lenders and conduct regular checks to discourage illegal lending practice. That's all from me.
Thank you for the informative, interesting thoughts, Mr. Adam. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, finally we have come to the end of our forum for today, where we share a lot of knowledge which we didn't even know before. From the last one from me, I would like to thank again to all ladies and gentlemen for today and also to our panels. A billion thanks I dedicate to everyone for cheering up this forum for today. Thank you for your attention. Assalamu alaikum.